tools in SolidWorks. I hope you like it. So let's start to create this simple model, and with the help of this model we will know how to use this SolidWorks surfacing tools here. So let's start. Now I'll go to file, new, and I'll select here part and click OK. Now this is the SolidWorks browser window or interface. I'll choose some basic settings. Now here let's start to create this simple. I'll select here right plane, a sketch. I'll do some basic with the help of some basic sketch. I'll select here 3-point arc, and I'll start with origin point up to here. Right click OK. Now let me define 100 millimeter, and let me define the gap 115 millimeter. Okay, now let me define the vertical length 10 millimeter. Now see, this drawing is fully defined. So I'll directly right click on the command manager and choose your surface. Go to surface and select extruded surface. Now you can see here how it's going. Let me select 30 millimeter one direction and select 30 millimeter in other direction, or even you can directly select here mid plane and condition and keep 60. It will go in both direction. Okay, now that's it. Now I'll select here top plane, a sketch, normal, and here we will make the next part. I'll select here one circle, and I'll make one more circle here. I'll select line, connect here, and I'll make sure these lines are vertical. Now let's define 35 millimeter, 20 millimeter, and let me choose this gap 40 millimeter. Right click OK. Now select both the circle, center point and origin, and make one relation vertical. Now it is comes in one line, a smart dimension, and let's define distance from here to origin 35 millimeter. Now it is near to center, so this is what we like. Choose here trim entities, power trim, just drag from here to origin 35 millimeter. Now it is near to center, so this is what we like. Choose here trim entities, power trim, just drag and it will trim. See here. Okay, now this corner there is sharp edges, so we will make little curve. So choose here fillet 12 millimeter, let's say. Select this corner point. Okay, now that's perfectly fine. Now just go to surface, select extruded boss base. See here. Now let me extrude up to 40 millimeter. See, okay, let's keep 40 millimeter. Now select here OK. Now see, this unnecessary part we want to trim. So how we will do this one? So this is a very simple thing. Just go to trim surface. This is the important tool in this is mostly used for the trimming purpose. Now trim tool, first you need to select a plane as a reference against which you are going to remove. So I'll select this plane and remove face. So I'll select this, see, it is easily selected, and here select remove selection. So this selection going to remove. Keep standard and natural. Okay, now see, it's trimmed. Now I'll select again trim surface. Now we want to trim this mid one. So here the body is already okay, our trim surface selected. Even you can clear here, and here you can select this body and select this, because this body we selected as a reference, and we have two options, see, orange and pink. So anything you can, if you select this one, it will trim. Uncheck, so only the middle portion we need to trim. Okay, now see, that's it. Now it's time to close this one. We have many options, like let's say plane surface. Select 1 2 3 4 5 and the last one. Now see, it's going to cover. Choose OK. That's it. But let me choose one more new method. Delete. I'll select here 3D sketch. Choose your line and connect this end to this end. Surface. I'll select this line and this surface. See, is going to complete. Okay. Now the same thing I'll repeat again. 3D sketch, line, and I'll collect these two points. Escape, exit, and choose your boundary surface. Now here we selected the line and select this edge. Clear, and again select the line. Sometime need refreshment, but here one problem you can see. You will see here it's going out of this direction, so you will choose here direction 2. Select direction 2 and select this curve. Now see, it is trimmed. The same thing you will apply. See, you can see preview is going from outside, so just select. So this is called boundary tool. This boundary we selected here. Now you can see the clear picture. Okay, that's it. Now the last one, let's try 3D sketch, line, and I'll connect this point to this point. Exit, boundary surface, this line, better do refresh and try. Sometime unnecessary things selected, and we will be in mesh. Okay, now see the last one. So the last one, and curve. Here you can select flip. See, once you select flip control menu, it will comes here. Okay, now the things are perfect. Now it's time to now you will see here, before applying thickness you need to make one body. So how you will do here, one tool, knit tool, combine two or more adjacent non-intersecting surface together. I'll select this one and I'll select the whole body. Select this one also. You can see here only one body, before 6. So now it is ready for the thickness, but before applying thickness we need to do some more things here. Let's apply some fillet, 4 millimeter, and I'll choose this surface, 4 millimeter. Okay, now look, that's perfect. Now here we need to make a little curve, not sharp edges. So what we will do, I'll select top plane, sketch, and select this all edges. Click convert entity. Now see, it is converted. Now simply exit, and here one option, project curve. Select project curve. We want to apply this sketch on this surface. I'll select this one. Keep direction upward direction, because our sketch in below this surface. So here we selected the sketch and the face where we want to apply this. So you can see the preview here. Okay, Now see, trim surface. Now here select this line for the reference purpose or for the boundary purpose and remove selection. I'll select 1 2 3 4. Now see how the easily is this pink color going to remove. Okay, now that's it. Even you can hide this, select this line, hide. Now see, now let me apply thickness here. Thickness, so I'll select the full body and thickness, it's 1 millimeter is sufficient, but here it is asking thickness in both side. No, we need thickness in one side only. Let's say upper side. Okay, now look, see, so here we covered many tools, surfacing tools in SolidWorks. I hope you like it. In next tutorial we will try to cover other tools. Now let me apply some material. We applied here, if you'll go to metal, galvanize and brushed galvanize. Now looks, it is galvanized sheet. See, I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like our videos, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.